again on YouTube. I'm back again with another unboxing, and today's unboxing is going to be Terminator, the Sarah Connor Chronicles Season 2 on Blu-ray. I just did my unboxing for Season 1, so I'll go and check out that one if you haven't seen it. So, I remember watching Series 1 a bit, but he was on an unusual channel, so never really watched it too much. So, got your back, you got your side, and then you got your front. So let's crack it open and see what we get. It's fairly heavy as well. Got some weight to it. Oh, there we go. And slide it out. That's just an insert. Just not one of these cases. A bit different to others. Shot a thing there to open them up. It's not like engraved there as well. And boom. So now it's got a booklet. It's got that printed on back saying important notice. This thing's been thingamabobbed. The complete second series. It's just showing you some stuff. Characters. So you got this one, if it comes out. Season 2, disc 1. And if it's a little bit jerky, don't mind it. It's just that I'm encoding some videos. You got disc 2, disc 3, disc 4, and disc 5. So that's my quick unboxing of Terminator, the Sarah Connor Chronicles. So thanks for watching. Remember to comment, thumbs up. Well, if I put my thumbs here, and subscription is very appreciated. Stay tuned, and I'll be doing an unboxing of Sarah Connor Special Forces when that comes out. So stay tuned for that.